Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe on button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 best budget DSLR cameras in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade without breaking the bank, we've got you covered with these amazing DSLR options that deliver excellent performance without costing a fortune. We all know how confusing it can be to choose the right camera, especially with so many options out there. But don't worry, we've done the research, tested them out, and narrowed it down to the top 5 best budget DSLRs for 2024. From Canon to Nikon, these cameras offer a great balance between price and performance, making them perfect for photography enthusiasts, vloggers, and anyone looking to step up their photography game. So, let's dive right in and check out the top 5 budget DSLR cameras of 2024. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7. Let's kick things off with number 5 on our list, the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This camera is perfect for those just starting their photography journey and don't want to spend a ton of money on their first DSLR. The Rebel T7 offers a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which gives you crisp, detailed images that are perfect for anything from landscapes to portraits. It's designed with beginner's course in mind, so if you're new to DSLR photography, you'll love how easy it is to use. The camera comes with Scene Intelligent Auto, which automatically adjusts the settings for you based on what you're shooting. So whether you're capturing the sunset or taking pictures of your pet, you don't have to worry about fiddling with settings. And if you're into vlogging or taking videos, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 shoots in full HD 1080p Osmo. It's not the highest resolution out there, but for a budget-friendly camera, it's more than enough for most people. Another great feature is Wi-Fi connectivity, which lets you transfer photos wirelessly to your smartphone, making it easy to share your pictures on the go. While the Rebel T7 may not have some of the more advanced features you'll find in higher-end models, it's a fantastic choice for beginners who want an affordable DSLR that still delivers high-quality photos. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to carry around, making it a great travel companion. Number 4. Nikon D5600. Next up at number 4, we have the Nikon D5600. This camera is a step up from entry-level DSLRs and offers a ton of features that are perfect for someone looking to take their photography to the next level. The D5600 has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, similar to the Canon Rebel T7, but it also adds some cool extras that make it stand out. One of the highlights of the Nikon D5600 is its articulating touchscreen. You can flip and rotate the screen, making it ideal for bus vlogging or taking photos from tricky angles. So if you're someone who loves to take selfies or film yourself for YouTube, the rotating screen will come in handy. Another big selling point of the Nikon D5600 is its Snap Bridge technology. This feature allows you to keep a constant connection between the camera and your smartphone via Bluetooth. That means you can automatically transfer photos as you take them and even use your phone as a remote shutter release. The Nikon D5600 also has an impressive battery life, allowing you to take around 970 shots on a single charge, which is perfect for long photo sessions. And with 1080p full HD video recording, it's a great choice for aspiring filmmakers and vloggers. If you want a camera that's versatile, easy to use, and packed with features, the Nikon D5600 is a solid choice. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T8i. At number 3, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. This camera is another excellent option from Canon's Rebel series, and it comes with some serious upgrades compared to the Rebel T7. The Rebel T8i features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, and it delivers amazing image quality, whether you're shooting stills or videos. One of the standout features of the Rebel T8i is its 45-point all-cross type autofocus system. This means that focusing on moving subjects like kids or pets is super fast and accurate. If you're into that action photography or just want to capture fast moments, the T8i will give you the speed and precision you need. For video enthusiasts, the Rebel T8i offers 4K video recording, which is a big step up from Full HD. If you're creating content for YouTube or other platforms, you'll love the high-quality footage this camera can produce. Plus, the dual pixel autofocus ensures smooth focus transitions when filming, making your videos look professional. Another cool feature is the vari-angle touchscreen, which is great for shooting from different angles or recording yourself. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth for easy file sharing. If you're looking for a budget DSLR that offers excellent performance for both photos and videos, the Canon EOS Rebel T8i is a fantastic option. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. Coming in at number 2, we have the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This camera is one of the most compact and lightweight DSLRs on the market, making it perfect for those who want a portable yet powerful camera. Despite its small size, the Rebel SL3 packs a punch with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering high-quality images with rich details and colors. One of the standout features of the SL3 is its ability to shoot in faster 4K video ratio, which is perfect for those who love creating high-quality content. Whether you're shooting YouTube videos, travel vlogs, or short films, the 4K resolution ensures your footage will look sharp and professional. The MAR dual pixel autofocus system is also a huge plus, especially for video. It ensures that your focus remains smooth and accurate, even when you're moving or changing subjects. And like other cameras in the Canon Rebel series, the SL3 comes with a vari-angle touchscreen, making it super convenient for shooting from all angles or for vlogging. Another great feature of the SL3 is its guided user interface, which helps beginners learn the ins and outs of DSLR photography. If you're just starting, this camera will guide you through the process, making it easy to get the best shots without getting overwhelmed by the technical stuff. Number 1. Nikon D3500. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nikon D3500. This camera is widely considered one of the best budget DSLRs for beginners, and for good reason. The D3500 features a 24.2 megapixel sensor, giving you sharp, detailed images that are perfect for both photography enthusiasts and casual users. What sets the Nikon D3500 apart is its incredible ease of use. Nikon has designed this camera with beginners in mind, so it's super easy to pick up and start shooting right away. The camera's Rush Guide mode is perfect for learning the basics of DSLR photography, guiding you through each step and helping you understand the settings as you go. In terms of performance, the D3500 is a fantastic all-rounder. It offers excellent image quality, solid low-light performance, and a long battery life that lets you shoot up to 1,550 shots on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full day of photography without needing to worry about recharging. While the Nikon D3500 doesn't shoot 4K video like some of the other cameras on this list, it still records in a full HD 1080p, which is great for most people, especially if you're just starting with videography. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly durable, making it the perfect budget DSLR for those who want to grow their skills and capture stunning images without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the Bobby Dre Top 5 Best Budget DSLR Cameras of 2024. Whether you're looking for something simple and affordable like the Canon EOS Rebel T7, or you're ready to step up your game with the Nikon D3500, these cameras will help you capture incredible photos and videos without breaking the bank. If you're interested in any of these cameras, be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, please. Subscribe down to our channel, and let us know in the comments which camera you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.